McKinley. It's real. Fire alarm has gone off 4 times now. Right, so
This is it.
Yeah.
Bro, oh, they finna get out. Oh my god.
I gotta go get Ryan on footage, dude. Your opinion on it.
Fuck, what the hell is going on? What the fuck? Fuck, dude.
Fucking trash ass school.
Who the fuck? Why the fuck is the fire department at this goddamn? Did someone bust a fucking nut and burn the shit out of this? Fuck, dude. Fuck, dude. Fuck, dude. Honestly, I might not even make it out of this. I'm going to come back to school with the noose tied tightly around my neck. I am going to die. I will hang myself.
Is that your mission statement?
Please get help. I need some help. Fucking help me. Someone out there. Call someone. I need help. I'm going to end up killing myself.
Okay. Alright,
honestly,
so
fuck dude, like fire truck, more like I'd rather fuck the shit out of that.
Signing off for the year. See you guys in August. McKinley Shitpost. This is Rinky Dink Productions.
Dildo Batson isn't here.
Dildo Batson isn't here.
Yeah, home whacking and shit right now.
Ryan the man. Epic Gaming Live. Zoom couldn't be here. Durfla couldn't be here, but we're gonna sign off for all of them niggas.
Follow me on Twitter
at
CrazyTaxi581.
Alright, CrazyTaxi581 on Twitter. Follow that nigga. And we'll catch y'all niggas later.